Hello friends, welcome to Digital Decode. In this session, we are going to take a look at VLOOKUP wildcard search. What is VLOOKUP wildcard search? We all know VLOOKUP exact match. Whatever lookup value we search in the data, and if the lookup value exactly match with my data, then I get the results. That is exact match. If my lookup value does not match with my data, then I won't get result. I get only hash ending. But using wildcard search, we can get the result even if my lookup value does not exactly match with the data. If you do not subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to learn Microsoft Excel, VBA Macro and Power BI. Now let's get into the topic. We have three types of wildcard search: beginning search, end search and all search. Now let's start with beginning search. For this function, I'm going to use data which does not have a separate column for product name and product code. So if you see here, this is the data where I don't have product name and product code. But I have everything in one column: product ID, where I have product code, brand and product name. Okay, so this is the VLOOKUP with beginning search. So now based on this product code, I'm going to pull the total sales equal VLOOKUP. So my lookup value is this because I don't have any other values. I have to select this. This is my lookup value. Then let me go to new master data. So here, what would be my first column? So here we have challenges because there is no dedicated column for product code. So but we have product code in the column A. So let me select it because we don't have any option. Let me select the product ID. Then I'll drag till total sales. So total sales is in third column. So 3, 0. So anyway, we know that anyway the result is not going to be correct. So we get only error because the product code is not available in the new master data. Okay. So now, how to get it? See, we have product code here, but the same product code I don't have in the master data in a separate column, but I have product code in the column A. Okay. So whatever product code I have here, the same product code comes in column A in the beginning. Beginning, I mean left side. Okay. So if you see, all the product start from left side. So if you get the same scenario, so what you can do is, so already you have VLOOKUP. On top of that, before lookup value, just use and use asterisk within double quote. Asterisk or star within double quote. So enter. So here your search criteria, your lookup value. So after this, use asterisk. Okay, using and then enter. See, now we got the result. If you use asterisk end of search criteria, then it will search only the beginning of the cell. Let me check one value: 601701. 601701. I have total sales of 203880. So here also have 203880. So okay. So how it search? If you apply asterisk, it will pick the data. It will go to master data. It will go here. It will check whatever data, whatever lookup value you choose. It is coming in the beginning. If it is coming in the beginning, you will get the result. Okay. Even there is no need like you should have a space, hyphen, nothing. So now let me show you something. 601701. Okay. So I have a 601701. Let me add some other value here. 601701 564. Still I get the result. Okay, because it will check only from the beginning. So it will take, okay, here I have 6 character, the same 6 character which is coming in the beginning, then you will get the positive result. Let me delete this. Hope you understood the beginning search. Now we are going to look at VLOOKUP with end search. In this session, I am going to use new master data which does not have a separate column for product name, also the product code. So this is the master data which I am going to use it for this session also. And so here I have product. Based on the product, I want closing stock. Update. Okay, so let me apply the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP. Let me go to master data. So here my range, again we don't have any option, we have to choose with this, and I want closing stock with the second column, comma 2, comma 0. So as usual we got NA because anyway this product is not available here, but it's available in the first column, comes in the end. So how do I match, or how do I get the VLOOKUP result matching end of the cell? To do that, slightly different approach compared to beginning search. Just apply asterisk in the beginning of the lookup value. In double quote, apply asterisk and use and enter. See, we got the result. To check that, tablet 680. Tablet 680. See, it's matching. Laptop 407. Laptop 407. So for beginning search, we apply asterisk in the end of the lookup value. For beginning search, for end search, we should apply beginning of the lookup value. So this is the difference. So also, so how it will match? It will pick the data from the lookup value, then it will go to master data. It will check whether the value comes in the end. If the value comes in the end, then you will get the result. Hope you understood. Now we are going to look at VLOOKUP with all search, which will search the lookup value in the entire cell. In this session also, we are going to use new master data, which does not have separate column for product name and product code. So this is the master data. So we don't have product code and product name. Also does not have brand. So now as per this data we have brand. So based on brand we need April sales. So but in the master data we don't have dedicated column for brand, but we have brand in middle of the product ID. So let me use the VLOOKUP to pick the information. VLOOKUP, select the lookup value del, because we don't have any other option, we have to choose only this. And again, what would be my first column? My first column should be A, because I have brand only in column A, because I don't have in any other column. So I'm choosing that. So I'm just dragging till April. So April is in 7th column. So comma 7, comma 0. So now if you see, obviously the result will be NA. So now what we have to do? So for beginning search, we apply asterisk after lookup value. For end search, we applied asterisk before lookup value. For all search, you have to apply the asterisk both end and the beginning. So let me apply asterisk in the beginning as well as the end of lookup value. So now I apply. So now if you see, I got the result. To check that, so HP 9793, HP April 9793, LG 6298, LG 6298. So we got the result. So what this does is, in case if I have HP or Lenovo, it will pick this, it will pick the lookup value, it will go to the data. In the search range, it will search in the entire cell. Okay, let me show you. Let me pick the Lenovo. I'll update the Lenovo. Sorry, I'll cut it from here and I'll paste it within the number. Okay, still I get the result 13429 for Lenovo 13429. So it will check for the entire cell. So it can be beginning, it can be an end, it can be a middle, it can be anything. So it will search for the entire cell and give you the results. So that is VLOOKUP with all such. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. We will see in another video. Bye bye.